If you're an iPhone user, you may have encountered the frustrating issue of being unable to delete a contact marked as read-only. Having this problem can make it hard to manage your contacts. Fortunately, you have some options when you cannot delete iPhone contact read-only. Firstly, it's a good idea to turn off the Contact app in Settings before you try deleting a read-only contact. If it doesn't work, you can try deleting the contact from your iCloud. You can also get rid of the read-only contact by deleting the associated account, such as WhatsApp or Skype. Let's look at these solutions in more detail, exploring the best ways to get rid of those pesky read-only iPhone contacts. What does the iPhone read-only contact error mean? The read-only contact error on iPhone means exactly what it sounds like, meaning you can view the contact but cannot edit or delete it. It also means the contacts synced to the device through iCloud cannot be modified or deleted. This can happen for several reasons, including the device has been set to read-only mode due to a hardware issue or user setting change. The contact was created on another device and synced to your device. The contact was imported from a third-party service such as Google Contacts or Facebook. The contact was created via an app such as WhatsApp or Skype. How to delete read-only iPhone contacts. Once you understand what read-only means and why it happens, you can take steps to try and delete the contact. Here are the steps to follow. Disable and re-enable iCloud Contacts Sync. If you're having trouble with the accuracy of your iPhone contact list, your first step to fix the not all contacts was deleted issue is to disable and re-enable iCloud Contacts Sync. Here's how. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID name at the top of the screen. Select iCloud from the list of settings. Scroll down until you see Toggle off contacts so that it is disabled. On the following prompt, confirm deleting your iPhone contacts. Don't worry, you won't lose them permanently, as they'll still be stored in iCloud Contacts, and click that. Check if the targeted contact is still listed in the Contacts app. To sync iCloud accounts again when you have empty contacts, simply enable the Contact app again. Delete the contact from iCloud. If disabling and re-enabling Contacts Sync doesn't work, you may want to try deleting the contact from iCloud. To do this, go to iCloud.com and log in using the same Apple ID that you use on your iPhone. Go to the Contacts app, select the contact you want to delete, and click the Delete button. Confirm that you're sure to delete the contact and confirm again on the following prompt. Go back to your iPhone and check if the contact is still listed in the Contacts app. If it's not, then the contact has been successfully deleted. Delete the contact from its associated account. The final solution is to delete the contact from its associated account, such as WhatsApp, Google Contacts, or Skype. You can just go to the account where the contact is located and delete it. However, if it doesn't delete, you'll have to clear the app data from your device. To do this, go to the Settings app and select General. Tap on Reset and select Erase all content in Settings. Make sure to back up your data before you do this, as it will erase all of your data from the device. Once the reset is done, you can reinstall any apps on your device, including the app where the contact was located. Finally, check the Contacts app on your iPhone. You must have deleted it successfully by now. Hope you successfully solved this problem.